All right, here we go. The temperature just jumped up to 122.
Thank you for calling Apple. Your call may be monitored. Please enter the extension you wish to reach, followed by the pound or hash key. Thank you for calling Apple. Your call may be monitored. Please enter the extension you wish to reach, followed by the pound or hash key.
Hmm. That's around.
Thank you for calling Apple. You're closed. Apple's normal business hours are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time, Monday to Friday. If you're calling for product sales, press 1. Technical support, 2. If you're calling for any other reason, please call back during normal business hours. To purchase Apple products, you may call 1-800-692-7.
Hang up on that. Try again. 127 degrees. The alarm just came on. So it is 1877. 129 degrees.
Thank you for calling Apple. Your call may be monitored. Please enter the extension you wish to reach, followed by the pound or hash key.
34621 pound.
Thank you for calling Apple. Your call may be monitored. Please enter the extension you wish to reach, followed by the pound or hash key.
So here we go again. Put that up. 34621, and the call has ended. The phone will not allow me to call Apple. Try again. 1-877-388-0879. Call. 131 degrees now.
Thank you for calling Apple. Your call may be monitored. Please enter the extension you wish to reach, followed by the pound or hash key.
So extension 34621 pound.
Thank you for calling Apple. Your call may be monitored. Please enter the extension you wish to reach, followed by the pound or hash key.
Here we go again. 34621 pound.
Thank you for calling Apple. You're closed. Apple's normal business hours are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time, Monday to Friday. If you're calling for product sales, press 1. Technical support, 2. If you're calling. Technical support on Apple products is available by calling 1-800-215-273 or by visiting our website, www.apple.com/support. To repeat this message, press 1.
All right, so I cannot get a hold of Apple. And so it ended by itself. I didn't touch that. It just ended by itself. So let me see another route. 131 degrees now. 131 on the CPU, 125 at the battery. So it's dialing and I don't hear a sound. Call ended. Call ended. That's Apple and the call ended. The phone will not allow me to call Apple. Try it again. Huh. Don't know what that is. Let's go to call Apple again. It says dialing, but I don't hear a ringtone. Oh, there we go, ringtone.
Thank you for calling Apple. Your call may be monitored. Please enter the extension you wish to reach, followed by the pound or hash key.
All right. 34621 pound.
Thank you for calling Apple. Your call may be monitored. Please enter the extension you wish to reach, followed by the pound.
Okay. It's actually 34.
The number you have entered is invalid. Please try your call again.
Okay, so that one was my fault. I pressed the 1, call ended. Try it again. 127 degrees on the phone.
Monitored. Please enter the extension you wish to reach, followed by the pound or hash key.
34621 pound.
Thank you for calling Apple. Your call may be monitored. Please enter the extension you wish to reach, followed by the pound or hash key.
So for the past 2 days, it's been asking me the extension twice.
The number you have entered is invalid. Please try your call
621
again.
pound. No, the number is not invalid. Let me try it again. So that ended again. So try again. 1-877-388-0879. 134 degrees.
Apple. Your call may be monitored. Please enter the
134 degrees.
Followed by the pound or hash key.
Right, 134 degrees it was a moment ago.
Thank
So,
you for calling Apple.
34621 there.
Thank you for calling Apple. Your call may be monitored. Please select from the following options. Press 1 for sales. Press 2 for technical support. Press 3 for iCloud or iTunes. All other calls, please hold for an Apple operator.
Okay. So it changes constantly. The message I get changes constantly.
Please hold while your call is being transferred.
Hi, yes, I have been trying to get a hold of Marco at 34621. I called yesterday and I received a voice message that said it's Memorial Day and Apple is closed. And then I tried a couple of times this morning and it said the call will not go through because Apple is closed. Now, finally, I've gotten someone to speak to. I'm trying to get to extension 34621. Thank you.
That extension doesn't seem to be going through to anyone. Is Marco's last name, like, try to verify it in the directory?
No, just the extension is 34621 that he gave me. His name is Marco. I don't have a last name for him. He was a senior advisor. I was speaking to a senior advisor over the phone, and my case appears to be quite significant, and so the senior advisor on the phone transferred me over to Marco. Sure. Sure. It's Sita, Sita. 647-915-7422.
647-915-7422?
Correct.
How can I help?
All right. So I was speaking to what I suppose is a senior advisor. His name is Marco. He had asked me to call him back at 1-877-388-0879, extension 34621. and I have been calling. I have been calling him, but I cannot get. I am not reaching him, and I'm wondering why. Actually, he did call me um, yesterday, which I was not able to receive his call, and he left the exact same extension number, 34621. So I'm wondering why I'm not able to get a hold of him.
Yeah, well, I can't tell you why. Did you leave voicemail?
No, I am not even able to get to the voicemail. It says, I can't get through. It just stops. My call is ended. I just cannot get through. I don't know. I thought I'd have Apple connect me through the Apple system. Is there an extension 34621?
Um, well, I would. We have a million extensions, so if that's what you provided to you, then yes. Do you have a case number or what's your serial number? Maybe I can pull up some information.
Serial number. Hold on. Of course, I don't have that in front of me right now, and that was something I was going to ask the senior advisor. His name is Marco. Um, no, I don't have. Oh, wait. Yes, I do. Serial number C02YF1HFJK.
That seems kind of short. You should be a little bit longer than that. So that's C like Charlie, 02, Y like Yankee, F like Frank,
Yes.
number 1,
Mm-hmm.
H like Harry, F like Frank, J like Josh, K like Kite,
Yes. Is there a 7-8 behind that? I have 7.
a 7.
No, no, no. That's it. I think it ends in that. I think it ends in K.
Okay,
Can
that's
you?
too short.
That's too short. Hold on. Let me.
You say 7, 8?
Uh, Possibly. Let me. I am so sorry. Let me open the device. Yeah. Just hang on so that I have it correctly for you. Yes, 7-8.
And give me your email address.
It's zero. The number zero at ZeroLukeDallabona Luke Dallabona at gmail.com.
remember the person's name that you were speaking to?
Marco. He's the last individual I spoke to over the phone.
And which issue was it that you were calling about?
Well, I'm having significant issue. I believe I have a malware on my computer, and Marco was going to look into. He was going to he was going to investigate in some manner or another. He was going to call some other stores to find out what's happening on my computer, if it's similar in nature to what other stores or other geniuses are experiencing, because I have documentation from the geniuses at my stores that's saying they're seeing certain things on my computer, and he wanted to compare it to other computers. I know that's long and convoluted, but he should have some notes somewhere.
Yeah, I'm not seeing that.
Yeah.
That's why I'm asking.
All right, but do you see his name and a phone call, me being in contact with Marco anywhere?
What date was it? No, I'm not
It
finding
was
it.
on Sunday night.
It may be saved on this case for the last of my subscription. Desiree. Like, yeah.
So do you, well, I was um, on the phone with a couple of advisors on Sunday night because I keep getting disconnected. I was screen sharing and I was constantly being disconnected. Then I was on the phone and I was disconnected. Eventually, after a few phone calls, I got a hold of Marco. Someone transferred me over to Marco. Anyway, so Sunday night should be your last reference point.
Okay. Alrighty. So I'm not seeing that case, so we can just pretty much try to continue unless you want to try to give him another call. But I'm not seeing any a Marco on the 26th. So like I said, it could have been saved under a different case, a phone number, or something different, but I'm not seeing it when I pull up your MAC information.
Right. So,
So right now you're having some malware issues. Are you getting pop-ups on your computer?
well, I am having things disappearing constantly and reappearing and not reappearing, and my power is being used up, and I don't know by what, and they don't know by what, and my system, the uh, space used up in my system, the storage space continuously changed. It was at 16 gigabyte at one time and then 80 something gigabyte at another time. So it's rather significant. So, okay, so let me see if what I hear you saying, if we have a common understanding. Are you saying that there is no record at all of me calling on Sunday night?
Well, I said that it could be saved under a different case. Did you get a case number? But
And
I'm not seeing it. I put in your name.
listen, I'm sure there's a case number, but I don't have the case number. When they were talking to me on the phone, I didn't ask for a case number. So I don't know. Where do I go
Yeah,
from?
normally it's emailed to you. Like as soon as you get off the phone, the system automatically emails it to you.
Right, I'm gonna have to check that. Okay, let me check that. But I was supposed to get in touch with Marco over the phone, and he did give me his phone number and his extension. And like I said, I've been calling, but I'm not even getting a voicemail. I'm not able to leave a voicemail for him even. So, anyways, yeah, let's leave it at that. And what do you suggest I do?
See if you can go to your email from the 26th on Sunday.
Okay.
You have a email from us with a case number on there.
All right. All right. So I'm going to do that, and I will follow through if there's an email. All right. And if I respond to the email, what's the timeline? What expectation should I have in terms of a response? Would they be able to
Well,
email me, or would they call, or what's the protocol?
the email is just to get the case number so I can check the information. So you won't be able to respond to the email.
Oh,
Only if Marco sends your email directly, then you can respond to that.
I see. All right. Thank you so much. I will look at it.
Okay, I can hold the line. Do you want me to hold the
No,
line?
no, it's okay. I will go, and I'm gonna have to do a couple of things myself. That's all right. Thank you very much. I really appreciate the information.
No problem. I
Th-
understand.
Thank you. Bye bye. All right, and so that's the end of that call. It's 125 degrees, and I'm not getting CIDS and CIDS tomorrow with today. I mean, which is just too much, which is a live Wi-Fi. But I'm gonna tap on the recorder, and of course, that there is a live connection. But what's happening is heavy usage of power right there. There's a heavy use of power there. So it's 26% right now, 131 degrees. It's 25% now. So I'm going to go here.
You have no new messages and 2 saved messages. To play your messages, press 1. To check saved message yesterday, 3:47 p.m. sent by 80027522273.
So it's Mark Neville calling you back. 2:47 p.m. Central Time. I'll be here till 10:30 p.m. Central. When you give me a call back, again, 877-388-0879, extension 34621. Here.
All right. So that was extension 34621. So I'm going to call that number. So according to Marco, it is 1-877-388-0879. Call.
Thank you for calling Apple. Your call may be monitored. Please enter
132
the
degrees.
extension you wish to reach, followed by the pound or hash key.
34621 pound.
Thank you for calling Apple. Your call may be monitored. Please enter the extension you wish to reach, followed by the pound or hash key.
Here we go again. 34621.
Thank you for calling Apple. Your call may be monitored. Please select from the following options. Press 1 for sales.
There we go. It's
Press
a
2
redirect.
for technical support. Press 3 for iCloud or iTunes. All other calls, please hold for an Apple operator.
So that phone number from Marco is a redirect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going
Please
to
hold while your call is being
stop recording now. Stop recording. Stop. Hi, that's all right. Thank you very much. I was trying to get a hold of someone else. Thank you. You may hang up now. And so I'm stopping the recording.